A way to progress the alternating knee to chest exercise that works your hip flexor and your glutes on the opposite side is to do the banded version. So what you're gonna do here is put a band around your feet, bring your knees to your chest, and then push one hip away, working that glute on the downside, hip flexor on the top side. It's also working your core. Big thing here is keep that core tight, back flat. Pause for like a breath in, breath out, switch. Breath in, breath out, switch. Just working good control.